Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our joyous celebration of Sri Ramakrishna's birthday. We'll start with a short talk and then hand the morning over to Aditya Chaturvedi to perform a loving and reverent puja, worship service. So this morning, I'm not going to talk about Sri Ramakrishna in the usual biographical way. Most of us know that he was a Brahmin boy from a small village called Kamarpukur, about 60 miles from Calcutta in West Bengal. And that he was born of a divine dispensation of Vishnu, who appeared to his father, and of Shakti, of the Divine Mother, who appeared actually, was the one who created the nucleus, the embryo of Sri Ramakrishna in Sri Ramakrishna's mother. So we're not going to talk about his youth in Kamarpukur. We're going to start with the fact that he moved at his brother's request to Calcutta when he was 19 years old. Now, I should say no, he moved when he was about 16 or 17 years old to Calcutta. And he lived in Calcutta and served as a priest, making money for the family for a couple of years. When his brother, his elder brother, became associated with the Rani Rasmani's Kali temple on the banks of the Ganges, about 4 miles north of Calcutta. And he brought Sri Ramakrishna along with him. Sri Ramakrishna had been raised as a Vishnu worshipper. The family deity was Raghuvir, a form of Rama. And so he was a Vaishnava. When he came to the temple, he was asked to serve as a priest for Mother Kali. Reluctantly, he agreed. And so, though the man was not a guru to him, he learned the mantras for the worship and the ritual of the worship of the Divine Mother as Kali, and began that profession as a priest. As was characteristic of Sri Ramakrishna, he did nothing by halves. So if he was going to worship the Mother, he wanted to know that the Mother was a reality. He'd been brought up as a Vaishnava, a worshipper of Vishnu. This Shakti worship was new to him. And so he began a spiritual journey, a sadhana, of what the Devi Mahatmyam, the Chandi, refers to as great inconceivable penances. Great inconceivable penances are required for your realization, O Devi, it says. And so he began this, meditating all night long, weeping for the vision of the Mother, and so on. Until indeed he was rewarded with that vision and became the Mother's own. Became the Mother's own. This was the earliest part of what was ultimately a 12-year spiritual journey, a 12-year unfoldment of his divinity. that took place, virtually all of it, at Dakshineshwar itself. So by the age of 31, 12 years after he started at Dakshineshwar, by the age of 31, he had fully unfolded himself as what Swami Vivekananda called Varishtaya, the true ideal, the true representation in human form of the divine being as Ishvara. Now, unlike many teachers who reach their full unfoldment, their full realization, Sri Ramakrishna did not roam about. He made a few pilgrimages. He went back to Kamarpukur from time to time, not often. He lived mainly at Dakshineshwar for all of that, the rest of his life, until at the very end he moved to Shampukur and then to Kashipur Garden House for the last few pages, so to speak, of his life. So he did not, who roamed about? Well, the Buddha roamed about, making disciples. Adi Shankaracharya roamed about, engaging in debates and making disciples. Of course, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu revolutionized Bengal and then much of South India with his bhakti teachings, making disciples, many, many disciples, as did the Buddha and Adi Shankaracharya. Sri Ramakrishna did not roam about and did not make many disciples, though he brought a great wave of spirituality into the world, as attested by the Holy Mother and Swami Vivekananda and the other direct disciples. This great wave of spirituality. He made fewer than 100 disciples, and a very small group, less than 20, of his inner circle. He did not roam about, he did not lecture, he did not teach except as people came to him for instruction, with a few exceptions. He went to see Vidyasagar, he went to see Keshav Sen, some few others. But by and large, his disciples were drawn to him. And so over the period from age 31 to age 50, the Master taught. Now, we know of how Buddhism swept the world over some period of time, swept the known world at the time. Adi Shankaracharya revolutionized Indian thought, intellectual and spiritual thought, and as I said, had a good number of disciples. And of course, Chaitanya had, we could say, perhaps thousands of disciples, although how many of them were initiated, we don't know. Sri Ramakrishna stayed put, as it were, and drew to him first his teacher of Tantra, the Bhairavi Brahmani, and then other teachers, concluding with his teacher of Advaita, Vedanta, Totapuri, and then a Christian teacher, and then an Islamic teacher. Sri Ramakrishna came to the conclusion irrefutably, that is, he spoke of it this way, that all of these paths that he had followed led to the same goal. And so slowly and slowly, since his passing away, his Mahasamadhi in August of 1886, his disciples have been reaching out. And here in the West, the practice is no proselytization, no evangelization, not even any advertising. So people are drawn to the Master slowly and slowly by their own interest. This has been seen very clearly in the 10 plus years that I've been here. We don't reach out and try to bring anyone here, and yet people come. As it was said of Sri Ramakrishna, he does his own preaching. So this great spiritual power that came into the world in the form of Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother, and the other direct disciples that spread his work, and of course the most famous from our perspective is Swami Vivekananda, who said, I have a mission to the West as Buddha had a mission to the East. But it is happening slowly, very gratifyingly. The people who come, and as Swami Prabhavananda, my teachers, put it, those who stick on, change their lives, and so change the lives of others without making any great noise or effort about it. This is the power of Sri Ramakrishna. Slowly and slowly, teaching the power of renunciation and realization, primarily, as he said, for this end of the Kali Yuga, this end of the Iron Age, primarily through the practice of devotional yoga, bhakti yoga. He said, in this time, the human being is so dependent on food. By this he meant not just physical food, but the stimulation of the senses. The human being is so dependent on food that it's hard to practice any of the other paths. Not impossible, people do it, but it's difficult, more difficult. And so, with that, I will turn this morning's activities over to Aditya Chaturvedi, who will perform a devotional worship of the Master. And we can all, as he tells us, we are all part of that. We are all participating by our presence here, and the very few of us that are in this room, about half a dozen, and then those of you who are at home viewing this on your computers or your phones. So salutations. Jai Shri Guru Maharaj Ji Ki Jai, Jai Shri Ramakrishna, Jai Shri Ramakrishna, Jai Shri Ramakrishna. And we'll say a few words at the end as well. There'll be some songs and so on. A joyous occasion of celebrating this great spiritual power's presence with us. Thank you.
Namaste everybody. We before we begin the puja, as it's part of the ritual, we will meditate a little bit, do our japa with our mantra, and in the meantime, maybe I can request Shailesh ji to play sitar because he had requested to do so.
Aditya, you would like to play me now?
Yeah, if you could.
Okay.
Now we begin the worship, and so yeah, our brother has already said that we are doing it together. So I hope you feel that way, and so I've said this many a time. So a lot of the ritual that we perform is about purification. So I would say 90% of the ritual is uh, of the worship is about purifying oneself, purifying the objects of worship, purifying uh, the self, as it were, so that the image, the true image of us as Brahman can be revealed, as the deity who's being worshipped. And so, in the process, what we do is that we make the worshipper, the one who's worshipping, the one who's being worshipped, and the objects used in the worship, one with the deity. So, because the tantric dictum which we follow in the Ramakrishna tradition of worship states that aspirate is devo bhutva devam yachet, which means having become the deity, worship it. So that is what we follow, and it's probably one of the best ways of trying to see our real form. So I hope we all feel that way as we perform this worship for Thakur, and how can somebody really worship him? He was a brilliant worshipper himself. He worshipped Kali, and we all know his relation with the mother. And I think we just need to pray that we have similar devotion. Even a drop of it would be would be blissful, I'm sure, because he is the manifestation of bliss. So we begin the worship with the purificatory rites. Om Sarvamangalamaanganyam Varenyam Varadam Shubham Narayanam Namaskritya Sarvakarmani Karayet. Om Vishnu, 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 Om Vishnu. Om Tad Vishnoh Paramam Padam Sada Pashyanti Suryah Diviva Chakshuratatam. Om Apavitrah Pavitro Va Sarvavasthangato Piva Yasmaret Pundarikaksham Savayabhyantarah Shuchihi. ओम ग्रीं एते गंधपुष्पे आधारशक्तादिभ्यो नमः। नमो 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 नमो। ओम गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। ओम एते गंधपुष्पे सर्वेभ्यो तीर्थेभ्यो नमः। ॐ द्वारदेवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पे द्वारदेवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पे ब्रह्मणे नमः। ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पे वास्तुपुरुषाय नमः। ॐ रक्ष रक्ष हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ अपसर्पन्तु ते भूता ये भूता भविष्यन्ति ये भूता विष्णुकर्तारं रक्षन्तु शिवाज्ञया। ॐ रक्ष रक्ष हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे आधारशक्तादिभ्यो नमः। ॐ अस्यासनोपवेशनमन्त्रस्य मेरुपृष्ठः ऋषिः सुतलं छन्दः कुर्मो देवता आसनोपवेशने विनियोगः। ॐ पृथिवी त्वया धृता लोकाः देवी त्वं विष्णुना धृता त्वं च धारय मां नित्यं पवित्रं कुरु चासनम्। ॐ ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे आधारशक्तये कमलासनाय नमः। ऐं गुरुभ्यो नमः। ऐं परम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ऐं परापरा गुरुभ्यो नमः। ऐं परमेष्टि गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ गणेशाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ शताभिषेक हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ शताभिषेक हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ शताभिषेक हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ पुष्पे पुष्पे महापुष्पे सुपुष्पे पुष्पसंभवे पुष्पे च यावकीर्णे च हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ अस्त्राय फट्। ॐ ऐं फट्। ॐ ऐं फट्। ॐ ऐं फट्। ॐ अम ऐं मं कं ऐं कं जं ऐं जं टं ऐं टं तं ऐं तं पं ऐं पं यं ऐं यं शं ऐं शम्। ॐ रं 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 रं। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ दुर्गे दुर्गे रक्षिणी स्वाहा। ॐ आं हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ दुर्गे दुर्गे रक्षिणी स्वाहा। ॐ आं हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ दुर्गे दुर्गे रक्षिणी स्वाहा। ॐ आं हुं फट् स्वाहा। ॐ भूतशृङ्गाटाच्छिरः सुषुम्ना पथेन जीवशिवं परमशिवपदे योजयामि स्वाहा। ॐ यं लिङ्गशरीरं शोषय शोषय स्वाहा। ॐ रं सङ्कोचशरीरं दह दह स्वाहा। ॐ परमशिव सुषुम्नापथेन मूलशृङ्गाटमुल्लसोल्लस ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल सोऽहं हंसः स्वाहा। आं हुं फट् स्वाहा। आं हुं फट् स्वाहा। आं हुं फट् स्वाहा। सोहम। आं ह्रीं क्रों यं रं लं शं शं सं हौं हंसः श्रीरामकृष्णदेवतायाः प्राण इह प्राण। आं ह्रीं क्रों यं रं लं शं शं सं हौं हंसः श्रीरामकृष्णदेवतायाः जीवय स्थितः। आं ह्रीं क्रों यं रं लं शं शं सं हौं हंसः श्रीरामकृष्णदेवतायाः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि। आं ह्रीं क्रों यं रं लं शं शं सं हौं हंसः श्रीरामकृष्णदेवतायाः वाङ्मनश्चक्षुत्वक्षोत्रघ्राणप्राणैहागत्य सुरं चिरं तिष्ठन्तु स्वाहा। ओम अस्य मातृका मंत्रस्य ब्रह्म ऋषि गायत्री छन्दः देवी मातृका सरस्वती देवता हलो बीजानि स्वराः शक्तयः व्यक्तकीलकं सर्वाभीष्टसिद्धये लिपिन्यासे विनियोगः। ओम ब्रह्मणे ऋषये नमः। ओम गायत्री छन्दसे नमः। ओम देवी मातृका सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम हलभ्यो बीजेभ्यो नमः। ओम स्वरेभ्यो शक्तिभ्यो नमः। ओम अव्यक्तकीलकाय नमः। अंगुष्ठाभ्यां नमः चम चम जम 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 तर्जनीभ्यां स्वाहा। ओम टम टम डम डम नम मम मध्यमाभ्यां वषटीं तम 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 नम मयि मनामिकाभ्यां ओम पम पम बम बम मम मम कनिष्ठाभ्यां वष अं यं रं लं क्षं लं क्षमः करतलभीष्टाभ्याम् अस्त्राय फट्। ओम अंकं खं खं गं 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 हृदाय नमः चम चम जम 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 मीं शिरसे स्वाहा। ओम टम टम डम डम नमो मम शिखायै वष ऐं तम थम दम धम नमः मयि कवचाय हूं। ओम पम पम बम बम मम मम नेत्रत्रयाय वौषन् अं यं रं लं क्षं लं क्षमः करतलभीष्टाभ्याम् अस्त्राय फट्। ओम एतेभ्यो गन्धादिभ्यो नमः। ओम एतेभ्यो गन्धादिभ्यो नमः। ओम एतेभ्यो गन्धादिभ्यो नमः। ओम एते गन्धपुष्पे एतेभ्यो गन्धादिभ्यो नमः। ओम एते गन्धपुष्पे एतदीपतये देवाय विष्णवे नमः। ओम एते गन्धपुष्पे एतत् सम्प्रदानेभ्यः पूजनीय देवताभ्यो नमः। ओम नमो विवस्वते ब्रह्मन् भास्वते विष्णु तेजसे जगत्सवित्रे शुचये सवित्रे कर्मदायिने ओम एषो अर्घ्यः श्री सूर्याय नमः। ओम जपाकुसुम संकाशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं द्वान्तारिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्। Now we meditate on our Guru and worship him with 5 objects. Om Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasatrisham Tattvamasyaadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshi Bhutam भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ ऐमीशगन्धः श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं सचन्दनपुष्पं श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं सचन्दन बिल्वपत्रं श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं आम्रनैवेद्यं श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम ऐमिदं पानार्थोदकं श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम ऐमिदं आचमनीयोदकं श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम ऐं एषा सचन्दन पुष्पाञ्जलिः श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ऐं प्रमत्तं शक्तिसंयुक्तं बाणाख्यं परमेश्वरं कामबाणान्वितं देवं संसारदहनक्षमं शृङ्गारादिरसोल्लासं बाणाख्यं परमेश्वरम् एवं ध्यात्वा बाणलिङ्गं यजेत्तं परमं शिवम्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। बाणेश्वर शिवाय नमः। ॐ ऐं इदं सचन्दनपुष्पं बाणेश्वर शिवाय नमः। ॐ ऐं इदं सचन्दनबिल्वपत्रं बाणेश्वर शिवाय नमः। ॐ ऐं इदं आम्रनैवेद्यं बाणेश्वर। ॐ ऐं एष धूपः बाणेश्वर शिवाय नमः। ॐ ऐं एष दीपः बाणेश्वर शिवाय नमः। ॐ ऐं इदं आम्रनैवेद्यं बाणेश्वर शिवाय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे ॐ ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे गौर्यै नमः। ॐ बाणेश्वराय नरकार्णवतारणाय ज्ञानप्रदाय करुणामय सागराय कर्पूर्वकुन्दधवलेन्दुजटाधराय दारिद्र्यदुःखदहनाय नमः शिवाय। ॐ ह्रीं पीठदेवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ ह्रीं पीठशक्तिभ्यो नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः इत्यस्य मन्त्रस्य ब्रह्मऋषि गायत्री छन्दः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपः श्रीरामकृष्णदेवतः ऋष्यादिन्यासे विनियोगः। ॐ ब्रह्मणे ऋषये नमः। ॐ गायत्री छन्दसे नमः। ॐ सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ऐं अंगुष्ठाभ्यां नमः। रामतर्जनीभ्यां स्वाहा। मम मध्यमाभ्यां वषट् क्रीं अनामिकाभ्यां हुं श्रं कनिष्ठाभ्यां वषट् ऐं रामकृष्णः करतलभिष्टाभ्यां अस्राय फट्। ॐ ऐं हृदाय नमः। रामशिरसे स्वाहा। मम शिखायै वषट् क्रीं कवचाय हुं श्रं नेत्रत्रयाय वषट् ऐं रामकृष्णः करतलभिष्टाभ्यां अस्राय फट्। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। Now we meditate on Thakur's blissful form in our heart. So, ॐ हृदयकमलमध्ये राजितं निर्विकल्पं सदसदखिलभेदातीतमेकस्वरूपं प्रकृतिविकृतिशून्यं नित्यमानन्दमूर्तिं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। निरूपम् अतिसूक्ष्मं निष्प्रपञ्चं निरीहं गगनसदृशमीशं सर्वभूताधिवासं त्रिगुणरहितसच्चिद्ब्रह्मरूपं वरेण्यं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। वितुरितुम् अवतीर्णं ज्ञानभक्तिः प्रशान्तिः प्रणयकलयचित्तं जीवदुःखासहिष्णुं धृतसहजसमाधिं चिन्मयं कोमलाङ्गं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। ॐ ऋतपद्मासनं दद्यात् सहस्राराच्युतामृतैः पाद्यं चरणयोर्दद्यात् मनस्वर्घ्यं निवेदयेत्। तेनामृतेनाचमनीयं स्नानीयं तेन च स्मृतम् आकाशतत्त्वं वस्त्रं स्यात् गन्धः स्यात् गन्धतत्त्वकं चित्तं प्रकल्पयेत् पुष्पं धूपं प्राणान् प्रकल्पयेत् तेजस्तत्त्वं च दीपार्थं नैवेद्यं सुधाम्बुधिः अनाहतध्वनिर्घण्टा वायुतत्त्वं च चामरं सहस्रारं भवेच्छत्रं शब्दतत्त्वं च गीतकं नृत्यमिन्द्रियकर्माणि चाञ्चल्यं मनस्तथा सुमेखला पद्ममालां पुष्पं नानाविधं तथा अमायाद्यैर्भावपुष्पैरर्चयेत् भावगोचरम् अमायामनहङ्कारं रागममदं तथा अहिंसा परमं पुष्पं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः दया पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं ज्ञानपुष्पं च पञ्चमम् इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः सम्पूजयेत् शिवम्। ॐ ऐं एते गन्धपुष्पे श्रीरामकृष्ण षडङ्ग देवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ ऐं एते गन्धपुष्पे श्रीरामकृष्णावरण देवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्रीरामकृष्णदेव ह्यागच्छ ह्यागच्छ ह्य तिष्ठ ह्य तिष्ठ ह्य सन्निधि ह्य सन्निधि ह्य सन्निरुध्यस्व ह्य सन्निरुध्यस्व ह्य सम्मुखो भव ह्य सम्मुखो भव। अत्राधिष्ठानं कुरु मम पूजां गृहाण। ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पे पीठदेवताभ्यो नमः। ॐ ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे पीठशक्तिभ्यो नमः। ॐ हृदयकमलमध्ये राजितं निर्विकल्पं सदसदखिलभेदातीतमेकस्वरूपं प्रकृतिविकृतिशून्यं नित्यमानन्दमूर्तिं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। विदुरितुम् अवतीर्णं ज्ञानभक्तिः प्रशान्तिः प्रणयगलयचित्तं जीवदुःखासहिष्णुं धृतसहजसमाधिं चिन्मयं कोमलाङ्गं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्ण भजामः। अन्यरूपम् अतिसूक्ष्मं निष्प्रपञ्चं निरीहं गगनसदृशमीशं सर्वभूतादिवासं त्रिगुणरहितसच्चिद्ब्रह्मरूपं वरेण्यं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। Now, having meditated upon Thakur and requested him uh, to manifest himself before us and to take place in our hearts as he's always there, and here at the altar here to accept our worship. So we proceed in the worship by offering 10 items, including water to wash his feet as we would do for guests in India, and then water to rinse one's mouth and wash hands, and then bathing water followed by fragrance, flowers, bilva leaves, tulsi leaves, then a lamp and incense stick, and finally the food. So ॐ ऐं ॐ ऐं एतत्पाद्यं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं इदम् आचमनीयोदकं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं ईश्वर्यः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं माच्मनीयोदकं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं स्नानीयोदकं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्ष सहस्रपाश भूमिं विश्वतो तिष्ठदशाङ्गुलम्। ॐ अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यजस्य देववृत्तजम् ओधारं रत्नघातमम्। ॐ इथे कोटे स्वाहाय वसदेवो वः सविता प्रार्थयतु श्रेष्ठतमा कर्मणे। ॐ अग्न आयाहीवीतये गृणानो अव्यदातये निहोतासति बर्हषि। ॐ शन्नो देवीरभीष्टये आपो भवन्तु पीतये शम्योरभिस्रवन्तु नः। ॐ रामकृष्णाय विद्महे गदाधराय धीमहि तन्नो देवः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ ऐमेषगन्धः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं सचन्दनपुष्पं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं सचन्दनबिल्वपत्रं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं सचन्दनतुलसीपत्रं नमस्ते बहुरूपाय विष्णवे परमात्मने स्वाहा। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ रामकृष्णाय विद्महे गदाधराय धीमहि तन्नो देवः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ रामकृष्णाय विद्महे गदाधराय धीमहि तन्नो देवः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ रामकृष्णाय विद्महे गदाधराय धीमहि तन्नो देवः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ मेषदीपः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ रामकृष्णाय विद्महे गदाधराय धीमहि तन्नो देवः प्रचोदयात्। So now we'll make offering of food, and in the meantime, can I ask Divya ji to sing as I offer the food?
Thank you, Aditya ji. I'm going to sing Khandana Bhava Bandhana, Breaker of the World's Chains, composed by Swami Vivekananda. Khandana Bhava जग वंदना वंदितो नीरांजन नररूपधर नीरांजन नररूपधर निर्गुण गुणमय मोचन दूषण जगभूषण चिद्गणकाय ज्ञानांजन विमलनयन ज्ञानांजन विमलनयन वीक्षण मोहजाय भास्वर भाव सागर चिर उन्मद प्रेम पठाय भक्ताजन युगल चरण भक्ताजन युगल चरण तारण भाव पाय जृंभित युग ईश्वर जगदीश्वर योग सहाय निरोधन समहित मन निरोधन समहित मन निरकित कृपा भंजन दुख गंजन करुणागन कर्म कठोर प्राणार्पण जगत तारण प्राणार्पण जगत तारण कीर्तन कालिदो वंचन कम कंचन अति निंदित इंद्रिय त्यागीश्वर हे नरवर त्यागीश्वर हे नरवर देह पादे अनुराग निर्भय गत संशय दृह निश्चय मानसवान निष्कारण भक्त शरण निष्कारण भक्त शरण त्याजी जाति कुल मान संपद तव श्रीपद भव गोष्पद पारियता प्रेमार्पण समदर्शन प्रेमार्पण समदर्शन जग जन दुख जाय। नमो नमो प्रभु वाक्यमनातीत नमो नमो प्रभु वाक्यमनातीत मनोवचनैकाधार मनोवचनैकाधार ज्योतिरज्योति उजल हृदि कंडर ज्योतिरज्योति उजल हृदि कंडर तुम्ही तमो बंजनहार तुम्ही तमो बंजनहार प्रभु तुम्ही तमो बंजनहार धे 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 लंग रंग भंग भाजे अंग संग मृंडग गहीचे चंद भकत वृंद आरती तोमार गहीचे चंद भकत वृंद आरती तोमार जय जय आरती तोमार हर हर आरती तोमार शिव शिव आरती तोमार खंडन भव बंधन जगवंदन वंदितो मार जय श्री गुरु महाराज की जय।
ॐ ऐमिदं सर्वदेव ॐ ऐमिदं ताम्बूलं सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। Thank you Divya ji for your wonderful aarti song. ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं एते गन्धपुष्पे सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपिण्यै श्री शारदा देव्यै नमः। ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पे श्रीमद्विवेकानन्दादि रामकृष्ण पार्षदेभ्यो नमः। ॐ ऐमिदं श्रीरामकृष्ण दिव्यप्रसादं श्री शारदा देव्यै निवेदयामि। ॐ अमृतोपस्तरणमसि स्वाहा ॐ अमृतपिधानमसि स्वाहा। ॐ ऐमिदं श्रीरामकृष्ण दिव्यप्रसादं श्रीमद्विवेकानन्दादि रामकृष्ण पार्षदेभ्यो निवेदयामि। ॐ अमृतपिधानमसि स्वाहा। ॐ ऐं मेषासचन्दनपुष्प बिल्वपत्राञ्जलिः सांगाय सावरणाय सशक्तिकाय सपार्षदाय सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय वोषट्। भाति गुह्यगोप्त्रत्वं गृहाण स्मत्कृतं जपं सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देव त्वत्प्रसादान् महेश्वरः। ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्निर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हि या सर्वविद्यां स्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। Now we'll do the Aarti. वमी तस्मै नीराजनाय नमः, वमी तस्मै नीराजनाय नमः, वमी तस्मै नीराजनाय नमः। ॐ एते गन्धपुष्पेदं नीराजनाय नमः। ॐ इदं नीराजनीयं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। जय श्री गुरु महाराज जी की जय। जय श्री माँ महामाई की जय। जय स्वामी जी महाराज जी की जय। जय राजा महाराज जी की जय। जय भगवत भक्त भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम कृष्ण। So with this we conclude today's puja. I'll sing a bhajan that Thakur used to sing to the mother. সদানন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী সদানন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী তুমি আপনি নাচো আপনি গাও মা আপনি নাচো আপনি গাও মা আপনি দাও মা করো তালি সদা নন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী সদা নন্দময়ী কালী আদিভূতা সনাতনী শূন্য রূপা শশী ভালি আদিভূতা সনাতনী শূন্য রূপা শশী ভালি ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ছিল না যখন ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ছিল না যখন মুন্ডমালা কোথায় পেলি সদা নন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী সদা নন্দময়ী কালী সর্বমাত্র তুমি যন্ত্রী আমরা তোমার তন্ত্রে চলি সর্বমাত্র তুমি যন্ত্রী আমরা তোমার তন্ত্রে চলি যেমন রাখো তেমনি থাকি মা যেমন রাখো তেমনি থাকি মা যেমন বলাও তেমনি বলি অশান্ত কমলাকান্ত অশান্ত কমলাকান্ত দিয়ে বলে মা গালাগালি অশান্ত কমলাকান্ত অশান্ত কমলাকান্ত দিয়ে বলে মা গালাগালি এবার সর্বনাশী ধরে ওষি সর্বনাশী ধরে ওষি ধর্মা ধর্মা দুটোই কেলি সদানন্দ মই কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী সদা নন্দ মই কালী। So anybody else wants to say? Yeah, temple.
Say Ramakrishna Saranam.
Oh, Ramakrishna Sharan. Yeah. Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanyam. Ramakrishna Sharanam. Ramakrishna Sharanam. Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam Sharanye. Prabhu kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam Sharanye. Jai Jai Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham Sharanye. Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham Sharanye. Jai Jai Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Namah Shri Gurave, Namah Shri Gurave, Namah Shri Gurave, Namo Namah. Namah Shri Gurave, Namah Shri Gurave, Namah Shri Gurave, Namo Namah. Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham Sharanye. Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham, Sharanagatoham Sharanye. Jai Jai Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam Sharanye. Kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam, kripa hi kevalam Sharanye. Jai Jai Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam, Ramakrishna Sharanam Sharanye. Jai Shri Guru Maharaj Ji ki Jai.
We can do the flower offering.
Yes, sir. জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল জয় মাতা শ্যামা সুতা অতি নিরমল জয় মাতা শ্যামা সুতা অতি নিরমল জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল জয় বিবেক আনন্দ পরম দয়াল জয় বিবেক আনন্দ পরম দয়াল প্রভুর মানস সুত জয় শ্রী রাখাল প্রভুর মানস সুত জয় শ্রী রাখাল জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল জয় প্রেমানন্দ প্রেম ময় কলেবর জয় প্রেমানন্দ প্রেম ময় কলেবর জয় শিবানন্দ জয় লীলা সহচর জয় শিবানন্দ জয় লীলা সহচর জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল যোগী যোগানন্দ জয় নিত্য নিরঞ্জন যোগী যোগানন্দ জয় নিত্য নিরঞ্জন জয় শশী গুরু পদে গত তনু মন জয় শশী গুরু পদে গত তনু মন জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল সেবা পর যোগী বর অদ্ভুত আনন্দ সেবা পুর যোগী বর অদ্ভুত আনন্দ অভেদ আনন্দ জয় গত মোহবন্ধ অভেদ আনন্দ জয় গত মোহবন্ধ জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল যোগরত ত্যাগ ব্রত তুরীয় আখ্যাত শরত সুধীর শান্ত যেন গণনাথ জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল জীবে শিব সেবা ব্রত গঙ্গাধর বীর জয় শিবে জ্ঞানানন্দ প্রশান্ত গম্ভীর প্রবীণ গোপাল মাতৃ সেবা পরায়ণ শারদা শারদা পদে গত প্রাণ মন জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল কথামৃত বরিক্ষণ গৌর জলধর গিরিশ ভৈরব জয় বিশ্বাস আকার রাম কৃষ্ণ দাস দাস জয় সবাকার রাম কৃষ্ণ দাস দাস জয় সবাকার রাম কৃষ্ণ লীলা স্থান জয় বারো বারো রাম কৃষ্ণ নাম জয় শ্রবণ মঙ্গল ভকত বাঞ্ছিত জয় চরণ কমল জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ ভুবন মঙ্গল
Well, we have all been so uplifted by this celebration of the Master's birthday. All of this. It would have been so lovely to have you all here in the chapel. We can say that perhaps as early as June, certainly by July, we'll be able to gather again if the government's plans work out. Thank you all for being with us, for being part of this, for being part of the spirit that makes this a reality and a joy. We look forward to seeing you again soon. This will be the last of the pujas until the fall, when we'll celebrate the mother, of course. But we thank Aditya Chaturvedi, we thank Rita Matthew, Dr. Shubranad, Bula Mukta, Cindy Craven, Akash Pradhan, everyone who helped make this possible today. And again, we thank you for your participation, your heartfelt spirit that makes this the reality that Aditya speaks of. This is not one person doing this, this is practicing the art of spirituality together. So come, let us go forward together into the next months when we can look forward to all being made safe from the virus and gathering again as a congregation in this lovely chapel. So Jai Shri Ramakrishna, Jai Shri Ramakrishna, Jai Shri Ramakrishna, Jai Shri Guru Maharaj Ji Ki Jai.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Shailesh.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
You bet, Sonny.